A snort wheeze is a call that we'll use a lot of times once we've brought in a deer using a rattling antlers, especially with rattling antlers, and also whenever we're using some of the more aggressive type calls for the upper age class deer. And a snort wheeze for us, we just do actually typically with our voice, and it's just a blowing real quick out of the air, pushing out air out through your teeth, and it sounds a lot like this.
Now, snort wheeze call is something that it's another buck telling another buck that he's there and be aware of me. It's an aggressive sound. If you have a less dominant buck, it might get him out of there, but a lot of times what it'll do is it'll create that instinct, you know, well, who's over there, you know, especially if that's his territory. And this is a great example of how it can work for you, where we did a little snort wheeze out in the woods and just watch the reaction of this deer right here.